Hi. Have you ever had any regrets? Yeah. We all know what to do to better ourselves. We read books, watch documentaries. I take it everyone has got Netflix here, yeah. And we also listen to mentors. Yet, days and months and years and life passes by without the knowledge ever being applied. This made me realize that knowledge is not power. Knowledge is instant gratification. Research says that despite their knowledge, 98% of the population will remain in their zone of comfort instead of going out and beautifying their lives. In 2002, I broke my comfort zone. All my life, until then, I lived in the beautiful south of France, where our days were perfumed by the scent of lavenders. We would climb on top of the hill where Napoleon Bonaparte, a famous French emperor, once strategically devastated the troops of English invaders. At the top, we will gaze at the glittering, shimmering blue sea. But then adventure was calling me, whispering day in and day out to go out and explore the world. Cheerfully waving goodbye to family and friends, I stepped in the train that will soon put miles and miles between me and my loved ones. My destination was England. I thought this would be the best way for me to learn how to speak English. So when I ended up in a dark, grey, environmentally unfriendly country, I was like, what? I swapped from a clear blue sky with the synchronized chants of wild crickets and countless friends to a sunless, cold, drizzly country with a sea of icy strangers. Luckily, there are jobs where non-verbal communication is enough to explain the task to a non-English speaker. So I found a job as a housekeeper. And as I was scrubbing the toilets, I made a promise to myself. I said, Cecile, every time your English gets better, you will get a better job. From housekeeper to bartenders to waitress, my English got better. And after 4 years being in the UK, I was the managing director of my first company. And here I was in 2006, at the top again. The view was different though. But like Napoleon Bonaparte, I felt victorious. I defeated all obstacles on English land. Then I realized that I didn't left my zone of comfort to discover the world. I was in search of myself. Who am I when I am not under the scrutinizing eyes of the conditioning of my family, my friends, and even the conditioning of my country? What am I capable of when things are not going my way and I can only rely on myself? And what I found was priceless. I found self-empowerment, self-acceptance, and conditional self-love. I discovered how to climb any ladders. The impossible became possible. The impossible is possible. Le papillon déploie ses ailes seulement après être sorti de son cocon. The butterfly can only deploy his wings only after he came out from his cocoon. So if I have only one call of actions for you, it will be to go out from your cocoon, to step out from your comfort zone. Deploy your wings, even if you have to do one thing that is new, or if you want to go and wander in different lens, because what you will find is beautiful part of yourself. Because the truth is that you are powerful beyond measure. But knowing that will never be enough, because knowledge is not power. Knowledge is your nemesis. It is a trailer, a teaser. Knowledge is not power. The power is seeded in the knowledge and can only come to light when the information is consistently applied with actions. Your power is unleashed when you step out from all that you know to explore the unknown. And that is only when you will find the glittering, shimmering treasures of your true self.